Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to talk about things we can do and things we can't do. Are you excited? Let's start. First of all, we will learn how to use can. Can is used to say that it is possible for somebody to do something. Now let's see some example. I can draw. You can fly a kite. He can sing. She can swim. Next one, we will learn how to use can't. Can't is used to say that it is impossible for somebody to do something. Let's see some example with me. I can't draw. You can't fly a kite. He can't sing. She can't swim. To ask someone what they can do, you can use this question. What can you do? Now repeat after me. What can you do? And you will answer, I can. For example, what can you do? I can play soccer. And you can use another question like this to ask if they can do something or not. Now, let's say it with me. Can you? If the answer is yes, you will say, yes, I can. But if you can't do, you will say, no, I can't. Now, let's see one example. Can you read a book? Yes, I can. Or, no, I can't. That's all for today's lesson. Now it's time to review what we learned today. To talk about ability in positive sentence, we will use can. I can, you can, she can, he can. And to talk about ability in negative sentence, we will use can't. I can't, you can't, he can't, and she can't. And to ask someone what they can do, we will use this question. What can you do? And you will answer, I can. And you can use yes-no question like this. Can you? And we will have two answers. If the answer is yes, you will say, yes, I can. But if you can't do it, you will say, no, I can't. Have you got it? Keep practicing them at home and see you in the next video. Goodbye.